Welcome, everybody. Thank you for joining today's webinar. My name is Amrit Sethi. I'm the founder at SetiTech. We have today with us Santosh Reddy Betu, Senior Software Developer at Agni, and Suma Kota, Senior Business Analyst, who will be presenting today's webinar about SwiftQA, Agni's quality assurance as a service platform.
Thank you, Amrit. I appreciate the introduction.
Thank you, Amrit. It's great to be here presenting the webinar today about SwiftQA.
Nice to have you both, Santosh and Suma. I'd like to just start with the questions about what are the problems, Santosh, that we are trying to solve with SwiftQA?
SwiftQA is Agni's quality assurance automation platform built specifically to automate duck creek functional testing. It is designed to reduce total cost of ownership by increasing core system reliability. It's a simplified framework for writing, running, debugging, and maintaining test libraries for any kind of requirements where it will minimize the manual effort in testing. Current duck creek customer doesn't have any complete idea on what all functionalities are causing the issue, and they don't have a complete overview on system stability. SwiftQA will help to understand overall system performance and capabilities to meet the needs of their business. Even for new Duck Creek customers, SwiftQA will help to understand the Duck Creek out-of-box functionalities.
What are the goals, Suma, associated with the end product?
The goal is to provide a seamless experience to any Duck Creek customer in terms of testing their product and clear visibility, transparency to each customer. Every test case is built in a simple and descriptive manner. That way, even the user with minimal experience on Duck Creek product can understand the workflow easily. Moreover, SwiftQA helps to maintain QA costs at budgeted level.
Thanks. Suma, what are these key stakeholders and what kind of access will they have?
Key stakeholders would be the current customers who can immediately use the service to automate their product. They can get access to the test cases, schedule them, and view the results. We are aiming for both DCOD and non-DCOD customers since it's a hybrid model.
What business risks are or challenges exist?
There are no such risks involved in using SwiftQA because it's a complete online SaaS-based application with a lightweight installed Duck Creek machine, which communicates with the Duck Creek server.
And Santosh, what should the client need to know about the software development method?
Well, as Suma just said, it's a complete SaaS-based tool deployed and maintained in Azure, as it's completely online, which makes the process very visible to the customer. Client doesn't need any additional software development knowledge to start using this platform.
So what are the expected deliverables?
The deliveries would be pre-built package of scripts and test cases, which can run on any Duck Creek system. It improves service delivery quality, and as we evolve, we provide more features based on customer feedback.
As you just mentioned that SwiftQA improves service deliverable qualities, how do you guarantee this service quality?
Within platform, every test library is integrated to core business functions, which provides clear insight into business workflows. It has clear dashboard at various levels with historic information, and also it provides less maintenance. It provides reusability across different versions and reduces overall execution time. It also alerts customers for any major bugs present in system.
What are the most important features that are provided to your clients with this service?
The most important features that SwiftQA provides to customers would be they can run or schedule test cases in any environment and view the results with clear reports. Also, SwiftQA performs discovery job to understand the current state of the system and alerts if any risks are involved. SwiftQA maintains requirements and also stores historic information.
Suma, what are the values that you provide to your clients through this product?
SwiftQA helps in expediting the project timelines and overall complexity in testing the product. It also helps in streamlining the QA process by minimizing the gap between development and testing team.
And what are the key capabilities and accomplishments of the service?
We've worked with existing customers to automate their smoke testing, upgrade testing, and sprint testing. It has minimized the timelines and helped to deliver the project in quick span of time.
Santosh, are there other products or tools that need to be integrated with, or is the product in itself good enough?
SwiftQA doesn't need any additional tool that needs to be integrated, as it's a standalone application which can run independently to automate testing for any module in Duck Creek.
How do you differentiate SwiftQA from other automated automation tools, if any?
SwiftQA is completely Duck Creek focused and provides all required functional automation solutions with rich features.
And can the service be further upgraded in the future with shifting technology?
As the Duck Creek product evolve, our service will keep evolving, providing new features to have seamless testing experience to any customer.
Santosh, what are the new features that are in the pipeline?
We have load testing and rating testing, which any Duck Creek customer would expect.
Can I have a demo of this service, please?
Yes, sure. I would love to present a brief demo with all exciting features.
Great, thanks.
This is our online SaaS-based SwiftQA platform that is enabled for current customer, where client can log in with user ID and password. Once we sign in, we need to select the client. This is the initial dashboard where they can view the list of environments where SwiftQA has been deployed, like Dev, QA, UA10, or any other pre-production environments. And also SwiftQA maintains test library across different modules like policy and building, and also it maintains across different line of business that is applicable for particular customer. And also it maintains based on the different module functionalities, like it has different priorities, and also it maintains across different functionalities. This way it will help to navigate easily between different line of business and states. If we want to view and run any specific test case, we can simply click on it.
Well, Stush, I have a question here. How can we run the test case and view the results?
As you can see here, every test case will map to the original requirement where customer can understand the test case. They can verify each and every step. And if they want to run anywhere, they can simply select the environment which is available at the bottom. They can select the environment and they can choose the server and they can simply click on run. It will immediately run and give you the test results in back. And if they want to view the results, they can come back to the same place. They can go to test result where it will give you the clear report on each test case run. That way, they don't need to log in back to the Duck Creek system to validate the results. This is about running a single test case. There might be a requirement where customer wants to run multiple test cases for any major release or any version upgrade. So we are also providing another exciting feature called schedules. Here we can create multiple schedules.
So I have another question. How can we create a new schedule?
If you want to create any new schedule, we can simply click on add schedule. SwiftQA offers different kind of schedules, like it can provide daily, monthly, weekly, bi-weekly, and also if you want to run immediately, we have does not repeat. Let's take an example where we want to create a new schedule for any Duck Creek testing. We need to provide the schedule name and we need to give the start date and time. And also we need to give the end time. We need to provide the environment. Once we get into the schedule, it will open an empty template where we can add n number of test cases to schedule. We can filter based on priority and the module as well as the functional mapping. It will populate all the test cases that are available under those filters. Once we review all the test cases, we can simply click on save. It will automatically schedule and give the results back. We can come back at any point of time and we can view the results under test results. Let's take an example, this schedule where, and also it provides a clear dashboard with all the rich information, like we can see the total time taken to execute the particular schedule, how many test case has been scheduled, how many passed, how many failed, and what is the average time taken for each schedule, and what are the functionalities has been involved, and what are the top 5 time taken test cases, and also we can see the any bugs involved in the system. And if you want to review any failed test cases, we can simply click on it where we can view the results and debug the failure.
Santosh, how can we debug any failure test cases?
Well, typically for any failure, like the user has to log in back to the Duck Creek system and try to understand the root cause. Whereas SwiftQA provides all the information within the tool. When we click on any failure test cases, The user can view which step is exactly failed, and it will provide high level information. That way, any business user or any internal developer can clearly understand the issue. And if they want to debug in depth, they can simply click on the step where it will provide all the log information, and they can exactly understand why the test case has been failed. So these are some features that SwiftQA offers.
The features look like they will be so helpful for your clients.
Yes, Amrit, you're right.
Suma, what does your existing customers have to say about the service?
Yes, the customers are extremely happy with the tool since it has reduced estimates to a great extent and also provided accurate results along with detailed information into daily progress made at resource level.
Wow. How easy, Suma, is it for the onboarding, and how quickly can one independently use your tool?
It is very easy to onboard any new customer by collecting little information about their existing process and server infrastructure details. SwiftQA will provide a whole different experience to Duck Creek users compared to manual testing process. It will eliminate difficulties in testing their product in different needs, be it smoke testing or user acceptance testing.
Amrit, adding to what Suma just said, anybody even without technical background can quickly learn and start using this tool. Operating SwiftQA is that simple.
Great. So it looks like we've covered everything. Is there anything else you want to add before we wrap up?
No, Amrit, that's about it.
Suma?
No, Amrita, I think we're good for now.
Great, thank you. We appreciate for all your audience participation and for being here. Also you and Santosh, thank you.
Thank you, Amrit.
Pleasure is all ours, Amrit.
Thank you so much. Thank you again, once again, for the ones who've joined us today in today's webinar. If you want to watch a complete demo of SwiftQA, you can visit www.agn, A-G-G-N for Nancy, E.com. We're signing off today, and we'll see you next time. Bye.